God. That was a live bee. I think it was a live bumblebee. That was incredible. I bet that bumblebee is just buzzing in his little belly right now.